Alright, my people, what's up? This is Dalton from Dalton My World, and check it out. Today is February the 7th, 2020. And look, this is what Pittsburgh looks like in the winter. This is what it's supposed to look like in the winter. Look at all that snow. Alright, look at that. Look at the beautiful snow. Look at that, and it's still snowing. Look how beautiful that is. Yes, sir, Bob. Look at that, all on the cars. It just makes the place look beautiful. And what people don't realize is that snow in Pittsburgh, even though it gets cold up here and we get snow, fact is, when the spring and summer comes, it's awesome, right? Because it's not like Texas, where Texas really don't usually get a strong, hard winter. So a lot of the bugs and insects, if they don't really get a good freeze, just doubles. So when spring and summer comes, you get double the amount of insects, double the amount of rodents, double the amount of like mosquitoes. Here, spring and summer comes, even though it seems like it's a long wait, you get the minimum amount of that, and it's awesome. You get to enjoy the beauty of the land up here in Pittsburgh without having to deal with all the chaos of mosquitoes making you its lunch. So if you're out there in Pittsburgh, slow it down a little bit today. Drive safely and enjoy the beauty of nature. Look at that. Alright, and I'll wrap y'all later. Now, dang on. Other bad part, I'm gonna have to scrape that shit off. Alright, I'll wrap y'all later. This was a quick bite. Bye, Dalton. Peace.